Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful pearl beaded saree edging pattern at home. It's really very easy to make, so follow the steps carefully. For that we need only some pearl beads and golden beads. You can create this edging pattern to your favorite sarees, dupattas, kurtis, top, blouse, etc. It can give you a different and designer look. Materials are easily available in online. Their links are given in the description box. Make sure you check them out too. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button. Also share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. And now enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more interesting videos. Useful and easy. Be creative.